everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Thank you all for tuning in to my live tonight. Sorry it was so short, but y'all know I got to get rolling. So I am finishing up one of the big babies, and this is one of my big babies tonight. Alright, so I'm going to swing you around here and let you get a look at it, and you all can tell me what you think. Alright, so for this concept here, of course, I'm using one of the big bears. These bears came from Walgreens, and I don't know if you all remember the bear haul I did, but this was one of the big ones, and it wasn't the biggest ones. I had two of the great big ones, and I've already used those in some concepts, or 2 or 3 of the real big ones. But this was the next size down. So those big ones were like $24.99, and then the next ones down were $19.99. This was one of the $19 ones, and he's a pretty big baby. Alright, so I've had some of these woven baskets that I had back here on my back shelf, and I decided to do this concept with it. So what I did was, I'm going to get my tag kit, and I'm going to tag his leg into the basket just to keep him in place. I put this headband, which is the headbands you use to keep your hair out of your face when you want to wash your face or do a facial and stuff like that. That came with these little brushes here. Let me just turn that around so you can see it. This is the brush it came with. These came from Temu, and I got them last year at Valentine's so that I could do some concepts with those, and I did. Alright, so I just decided to put it on her little head there. I thought it would be cute there. Alright, and this is one of the Temu bags. This is a peachy pink one. Alright, so I just kind of shook the colors up a little bit and put that in there. Alright, and then I have these diffuser kits here that came from Family Dollar when they were closing, and if you go back and watch the videos, you'll see the haul on this where they were broken. I managed to salvage some of them. This whole set was intact, and I got these, like I said, back when Family Dollar was closing, but this whole set was intact. Alright, and it says, God be at my home, in our family, be in everything we say, sit down with us at our table, guide us when we pray. Alright, and then it's got the other 2 little candles with it. And this is the oil burner, the big one in the middle. Alright, and it also has a diffuser set in there that you use, as well as the oil, and it is a vanilla scent. Alright, then I had some from all the boxes that I was going through, shopping my stash on. Well, make it do what it does, okay? I had the Everlasting Body Mist, which I put in here, as well as the Everlasting Love Body Wash, and I had an Everlasting Love Body Lotion. So I put those 3 in here as well. Alright, and then also have a pair of sunglasses hanging here. Turn that where you can see it. Alright, so we have a pair of sunglasses here, and they are hanging off of the vanilla, warm vanilla body butter, as well as the bubble bath set. Alright, and then I put in one of the satin bonnets that I bought last year off Temu as well. I have a few of those left. Alright, so that is what I have put in here for this concept. Alright, and I think that this concept has turned out really cute. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, and this is how you increase the value of your Dollar Tree items. Simply by putting them in a basket and dressing them up with other things, okay? Down inside this basket, I have packing paper as well as one of the Himalayan salt lamps that I'm using to help stabilize, as well as put a little surprise gift down in the basket for Mom as well. Y'all know I like making them surprise baskets because it gives you a center to stabilize, and you can use empty boxes and all of that too. I do use the empty boxes, but this is just one of the surprise gifts that I did. And I'm knocking ribbon over, y'all. Alright, so please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, this is one of my big babies. Alright, so make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for
Hi everybody, it's
loyal
Katrina.
subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail.